Storing or processing large volumes of chemicals presents significant risks. A massive spill could contaminate sewers or groundwater. Certain combustibles could ignite and, mixed with sprinkler water, produce a floating fire spreading to other parts of the facility. Federal regulations require companies to take steps to contain any spills. And in the past, this was accomplished by constructing fixed berms or containment trenches and ponds. Effective solutions, but very expensive, inflexible, and inefficient. Denios is changing all that, making large area spill containment inexpensive, flexible, and efficient. Our newest innovation, the Berm, is a patent-pending modular system of preformed polymer concrete segments which link together to seal off a selected area within or outside a facility. The Berm system is both fire and chemical resistant and can stand up to the harshest industrial environments, remaining stable at the high temperatures found in typical industrial fires. The Berm seals to existing concrete floors and doesn't require floor footers, forms, or any on-site concrete pouring. In fact, there's no need to bring in outside contractors. Assembly is simply a matter of butting the segments together, applying a specially selected chemical and fire-resistant sealant, and anchoring to the floor. And should your space requirements change, the Berm can be easily removed, reconfigured, relocated, and re-anchored. For added efficiency and security, the Berm can be used in conjunction with Denios manual or automatic doorway spill barriers, allowing for easy access to the storage area for material handling, while still providing for spill containment without the costs and risks associated with ramps. Denios has long been the worldwide leader in the design and manufacture of chemical handling and containment equipment. The Berm serves as our newest product in addressing the risks of large volume chemical storage. But whether your needs are for containing 1 drum or thousands of gallons, Denios can offer a practical, affordable, effective solution. Please call today to speak with a sales consultant about your specific application.